Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, please click on like and subscribe. And if you would, take a second to leave a comment below. Any questions you have, feel free to ask. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is put the handle on the main body. So that's your main body. That's my handle. Takes the two larger bolts / screws because they have screw heads on them. Two washers. I'll take these, I'm going to drop them down to the handle. The way it shows you on the description, I mean, it's pretty simple, but it's a little confusing because it shows you actually putting these up inside of the gripper first. These have a little nub sticking down off of them. I'm going to put that up towards the handle, and I just want to start that a couple threads so it doesn't fall off. I'm taking my pinky to keep the screw from popping out. If your finger doesn't fit in there, you might have to take a screwdriver and hold it in place. Start those a couple threads, then I'm just going to slide them into the grooves on the handle. So the next thing we want to do is attach our center to our body. Now this will slide over top of this like so, and slide back and forth. What we need to do is take these two bolts here with the kind of oval shaped heads on them, slide them through here. And this was easier laying down. I want to take these two things, push them in a little bit, and actually slide them into the grooves, like so. Then we'll take two washers, do the smaller washers on each side, and then the two nuts go on the outside edges of those. And again, I'm just snugging these up because those are adjustments, so you can adjust it later or you loosen it up. Then you can slide it left or right depending on how wide your board or how wide your cut is. So after that, we're going to attach our sides. So our sides go on here and of course on the other way. It's a little confusing in the directions, but I think you'll figure it out. Bolt or screw / washer through the hole from the outside where you can see the GRR-RIPPER. On the inside goes the little O-rings that come with it. Now you get a couple extra O-rings with it. I'm not sure if it's just so they get damaged or if you lose one, you tear one. So you slide the O-ring over top of the bolt, and that will help keep it from falling out also while you're putting it on. So I'm going to do that on all 4 bolts, and then we'll put them on. So I've got both my sides ready. Again, bolt, washer, O-ring, holds it in place. And we're just going to screw these on the sides. So I've got those starting. I haven't tightened them yet. As you'll see on the side here, if you move this back and forth, these will actually move a little bit. What you need to do is you need to make sure these grooves are lined up as good as possible. Like this one, in my case, this outside one keeps on wanting to walk its way out. Once you line up the grooves, you want to put some downward pressure on it. And the last thing I want to do is attach the side, which adjusts the depth. So I've got a green threaded nut washer. Let's start this on here. And again, I'm just going to snug those up. They don't need to be tight. And you'll tighten those up once you adjust the depth of your board that you're cutting. Sometimes easier said than done. So right now I'm just going to zero height it. So I'm going to push it all the way up.